Eat a variety of vegetables, especially dark green, red, and orange vegetables, 3 or more servings a day. Eat a variety of fruits, 2 or more servings a day. Eat whole grain, high fiber breads and cereals, 3 to 6 servings a day. Reduce or eliminate refined or processed carbohydrates. Most of the grains in your diet should be whole grains. Drink fat-free or low-fat milk and eat low-fat dairy products. Choose from a variety of low-fat sources of protein, including eggs, beans, poultry without skin, seafood, lean meats, unsalted nuts, seeds, and soy products. If you eat meat, eat white meat at least 4 times more often than red meat. Reduce intake of saturated fats and trans fats, such as partially hydrogenated oil as much as possible. Use vegetable oils, like olive or canola oil, instead of solid fats. Reduce daily intake of salt or sodium. Reduce to less than 1,500 milligrams per day if you are older than 50, or have hypertension, diabetes or chronic kidney disease. Restrict or eliminate junk food, foods that contain refined white flour, solid fats or trans fats, added sugars, and are high in sodium. Restrict or eliminate sodas and other sugar-added drinks that are high in calories and contain few or no nutrients. If you drink alcoholic beverages, do so in moderation. Drink only when it doesn't put you or anyone else at risk.